Hey guys, today I'm talking about when we merge wrong branch in our current branch accidentally. So how we can fix that? First of all, let me another wrong branch merge into my current branch. So this is now wrong branch in my current branch. So I need to fix this. I don't want to keep these changes. I want to revert my changes to what I need to do. So you need to first run the command git log, and then it will show your all existing code, all existing commit which you have done already. So I will keep this one. This is the latest one which I merged in my current branch, and then I go to another git bash. And meanwhile, I will also check my GitHub where I have done the latest one. This was my latest one commit, and it was 13 hours ago. So I need to keep my changes to this one. So I will copy from my commit code from here, and then I need to get back my terminal, and then I need to find git reset r and commit. So you can see this was the simple and quick fix to fix your branch. So this was the quickest way to handle this kind of situation which we normally face. If you like my video, subscribe my channel, share it, like it. Thank you very much.